Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and analysis. Today, we have an interesting graphics card to talk about. The Glorto Radeon HD 5451GB DDR3 low-profile graphics card. We'll be diving into its features, performance, and suitability for various tasks in this 10-minute review. The Glorto Radeon HD 5450 is an entry-level graphics card powered by AMD Radeon HD 5450. It's built on a 40nm chipset with a 625 MHz core frequency, making it suitable for basic computing tasks and light gaming. The card comes with 1GB DDR3 memory and offers 3 output interfaces: HDMI, VGA, and DVI. This graphics card is a versatile choice as it supports DirectX 11, OpenGL 4.5, ATI Eyefinity, and ATI Stream technologies. It's ideal for a range of applications, from video playback to basic gaming and content creation tasks. One standout feature of the Glorto Radeon HD 5450 is its low-profile design. It includes an original half-height bracket, making it compatible with various PC towers, small form factors, and HTPCs. With HDMI, VGA, and DVI ports, this card allows for flexible connectivity to different display types. It can handle high resolutions, with HDMI supporting up to 2560 by 1600 and VGA up to 2048 by 1536. Installing this graphics card is a breeze, and it doesn't require an external power supply. It's compatible with both Windows 7 and Windows 10, ensuring broad usability. While not designed for heavy gaming, it's suitable for light gaming and handles tasks like video editing and office work with ease. The 1GB DDR3 memory helps in handling multiple applications smoothly. In case you face any issues with the card, there are some troubleshooting tips you can follow. Ensure proper seating in the PCI Express slot, check display cable connections, and make sure to install the correct graphics driver. Unfortunately, at the time of this review, the Glorto Radeon HD 5450 is currently unavailable on Amazon. However, it's worth keeping an eye out for its return, as it offers good value for its price range. We noted that the product has received positive feedback from customers who found it reliable for their specific needs. Some users mentioned it was perfect for older PCs and light gaming. To sum it up, the Glorto Radeon HD 5451GB DDR3 low-profile graphics card is a budget-friendly option for basic computing needs, light gaming, and multimedia tasks. Its versatility, ease of installation, and compatibility with various PC setups make it a solid choice for those with modest performance requirements. That's it for our review of the Glorto Radeon HD 5450 graphics card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. If you've used this graphics card or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.